In previous videos, we saw how to record a test script. We then changed the data and validated our recorded script. While the data we used for our playback or validation was different from what we originally recorded, it is still hard-coded in the script. So if we want to hire yet another person, we'll have to go back, repeat the search and replace process we discussed in the last video. In this video, we'll see how to replace those hard-coded values with parameters. During runtime, we'll use variants to supply different values to these parameters. We can have multiple variants that will be executed one after the other, and each time the data used for executing the script will be different. Okay, so let's get started. As usual, we'll open the test script in change mode, then double click on the script name to open it in the script editor. We'll now go ahead and use the find tool just like before to search for personal number and replace the numeric value with a variable name. So here, giving IP_Perner. System will now prompt us to specify the type of this parameter. Let's choose import from the list of options and then confirm. Notice that the icon changes from the green color to a blue, indicating that a parameter is defined in the script tree. Let's repeat this process for other data points like last name, first name, social security number, etc. and saving our work along the way. Go ahead and replace first name with a parameter. We'll name it IP_first name. And save it. Once more for the date. So after this, we'll just fast forward through the rest of similar steps to parameterize all the other data points. Okay, save. All right, let's fast forward. And okay, all the parameters are now defined. We'll save the script, and if we switch to the parameter interface, we can see a list of all the parameters that we have defined. This is also the place where we can give some meaningful description to the parameters. So IP_Perner, I'm giving description as personal number. I will fast forward through this too. Just provide meaningful parameters or description, meaningful description to all the parameters. Okay. I'm in the last one now. All right, so let's save it. And so at this point, we have successfully replaced many of those hard-coded values in the script with the parameters. In the next video, we'll see how to define a test data container. We'll import the parameters we defined here into our test data container. We'll also see how to define variants.